Good morning. What's up, y'all? It's Jordan Martin with Martin Investment Group, Martin Stock Club. Here are three stocks I'm looking at today. And of course, we trade these and more every single day in our Discord. Links in the description. So, Amazon, we had Black Friday. We have Cyber Monday today. Looking for Amazon to see if it makes some move off of that, right? Not only did it have a big pullback, right? Bounce back up, a little pullback here as well. So we could look for a continuation off this new low that I put in, this higher low, if you will, right here. All right, so not only can we see that on the technical side, but we are also looking at the possibility for it to run up with Black Friday, with Cyber Monday. So over 94.60, right? Just about this high right here. If we can break this high, then I'm going to look for it to go to 95. And then if we can get over 95, hold over 95, then I'm looking at 96, right? And these are going to be 3 to 5 minute time frame, break and close above these levels to then go to the next level. All right, the next one will be Ford. Ford, we put in the chat as well. Big bull pennant, right? So big bull pennant, looking for that breakout. So ideally, I want to see Ford come back and break over this high, which was 14.15. So we can get above 14.15 again. 3 minute, 5 minute close. Then we can look at going on up. And of course, we have this gap to fill above here as well. All right, and this gap level is 14.28. So that could be a first target, and then we can let it play out and break out of that bull pennant. And then the last one is Shopify, which you see is already up pre-market. So we already have a big gap that'll be here on Shopify, which possibly is in line with Black Friday, Cyber Monday. But that aside, if we can get over the high here, which is 39.77, so we can say 39.80, breaking close above that, then we have potential to go ahead and see it run higher to retest this high from the 15th of 41.71. Okay, so those are three stocks I'm looking at. I'm gonna make sure to call those out if I see them trigger. You set your own alerts to make sure that you take advantage if it lines up with what you want to trade. And as always, like, comment, share, subscribe so I can keep on making these for y'all. Have a great trading day.